My first pet? My name is Sarah, and I'm 14 years old. For as long as I can remember, I've wanted a pet. And finally, my dream came true. I have a pet cat, and her name is Milo. Milo is a beautiful cat with striking black and white fur. Her paws are as white as fresh snow, while the rest of her body is a deep, glossy black. She's the cutest cat in the whole world. When Milo first came to live with us, she was just a tiny kitten. Her fur was so soft, like velvet. Now she's grown into a big, strong cat, but her fur is still just as soft. Milo is a very healthy and happy cat. She's been fixed, which means she can't have kittens of her own. But that's okay, because it means she gets all of my love and attention. One of Milo's favorite things to do is eat. She has a healthy appetite and loves her special cat food. I always make sure she has fresh water to drink too. Milo is an adventurous cat who loves to explore the great outdoors. She spends hours playing in the backyard, chasing butterflies and climbing trees. Milo is a natural hunter. She loves to stalk birds and mice in the garden, though she's never actually caught one. It's all just a fun game for her. After a long day of playing, Milo loves to relax and be pampered. Her favorite thing is when I scratch behind her ears. She purrs so loudly, it sounds like a tiny motor. When I'm doing my homework or reading a book, Milo loves to curl up in my lap. She's the best study buddy a girl could ask for. At nighttime, Milo loves to sleep on my bed. She curls up at my feet and keeps me warm all night long. She's the best pet a girl could ever ask for, and I love her very much.